On this side, I haven't filled this gap. I haven't put in the pieces that finish the doors, or the rear piece that finished this door, or the front door. But the doors are mounted, and I've been using steel so I could replace all the wood and not have wood in this. Eventually this side will shut and actually close like this side. This side has the trim piece in it. Eventually we'll put a window in this.
What about the top?
Top right now, this was wood and covered with canvas, and this will be covered with steel.